Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of TransGlobe Energy. Now, I have covered this stock in the month of I think November, December 2020, and you have I think 300 or 400% of move since then, but overall the trend is something different, and that's what we are going to discuss. Now, mind you that you can't expect a phenomenal move in a very short amount of time from anywhere or everywhere, but if you are comfortable with the overall trend that it can perform over a period of time, I think that's a better idea, and that's what we are looking at as far as the big target or big range is concerned, because we have enough data uh, to talk about. So since 1985, which means around 30-35 years worth of data we have, so it's long enough to talk about. And when you have such a big trend, then obviously it has its own importance. Now, this is a range and we are moving in between a range, so that is a fact. Don't go beyond the range and don't think beyond the range. That is also one thing that you need to understand, right? Now, having said that, what we have here is the lower end of the range, which is 30 cents and 17.97 or 18 cents on the downside. So these two are your important lower levels as far as the down move is concerned. Now, because the stock has already crossed some of its important support levels, right? So it has already crossed the middle part, and as you can see, all your important support levels are now, the resistance levels are now turned into support, because the stock already crossed 2.14, 1.45 and 1.05. So these three levels are your immediate support levels, right? So these are the three levels that you need to look at going forward in case of any volatility. Now, because the stock is sustaining above 2.14, the next target that we are looking here, so the next target that we are looking here is this one, 4.40. Beyond 4.40, if the stock sustains, you have a range, you have a small range beyond 4.40, which will push the price towards 8.5 and $11, right? And extension of this range, the extension that we are looking here as far as the trend or the range is concerned, is $20. So now you can see the overall trend is flat. The stock is moving from the lower end towards the higher end of the range. We have enough volatility, but there are some things which we need to respect and which we need to look at. And if we do so, then we have enough steam left in this trend to play around, but we have to give time. We have to give time for that. And this is, at least this is not the kind of stock which has moved quite superbly. There are some times like 2007 and 2005, the stock went up by more than 4,000%. So this is a big rise. But over a period of time, if it works, it can give you a decent amount of return. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.